You know what? Google has actually changed how AI generates text. And that is, I believe, massive. We say that because every major chatbot today, including ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Llama, works roughly the same way. One word at a time, left to right, like an old-fashioned typewriter. The model predicts the next word, then the next, and so on. You get the picture. And repeats this process thousands of times. That design has powered the entire generative AI boom. But it also creates a stumbling block, which is that every new word has to wait for the previous word, leading to the fact that your expensive GPU often spends its time waiting. Google thinks there might be a better way, and it has open sourced it. The model is called DiffusionGemma, and it could be one of the most important AI releases of the year. But before we, of course, dive deep into this particular story, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, because it truly motivates us at Front Page. Now that you have, I sincerely thank you. And now, of course, let us get into the world of this new breakthrough. Now, to understand why this matters, I would request you to think about Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, or for that matter, any modern AI image generator. They don't actually create an image pixel by pixel, right? Instead, they start with pure noise, random visual static, then gradually it starts to refine it. The image slowly comes into focus. So Google basically asked a very simple question. What if text worked the same way? Now, instead of writing one word at a time, what if our AI wrote an entire paragraph simultaneously? Which is exactly what DiffusionGemma does. It starts with a canvas of random placeholder tokens, then repeatedly cleans them up. Each pass improves the text. The model keeps the part that makes sense, fixes the parts that don't, and slowly sharpens the entire paragraph into something coherent. Not with the old-fashioned word-by-word methodology, but by engaging the entire block at once. The result is speed, and a lot of speed. Google says DiffusionGemma can generate more than 1,000 tokens per second on a single NVIDIA H100. Wow. And more than 700 tokens per second on an RTX 5090 gaming GPU. That's actually roughly 4 times faster than traditional language models. Now, for developers running AI locally, that matters enormously, because one of the biggest frustrations today isn't so much about the intelligence bit. It is the frustration felt because of the wait. Waiting for responses for code generation, edits, and the long wait for AI to finish thinking. We've all experienced it. DiffusionGemma dramatically reduces that elongated moment of wait. And unlike many frontier models locked behind APIs and subscriptions, Google has released the weights. Yes, open source, Apache 2.0 license, commercial use allowed. Anyone can build on top of it. But interestingly, if you thought speed was the most fascinating part, let me go ahead and get into the architecture. The architecture is actually traditional AI models only see the past. They know what they've already written, but they're not aware of what's coming next. DiffusionGemma in this regard is very different because it evaluates an entire block simultaneously, as I had mentioned earlier. It can see everything, the beginning, middle, end, all at once, which allows it to do something most language models struggle with, which is self-correction. So if part of the output looks wrong, the model can fix it while generating. It can revise, adjust, re-evaluate, and improve the result before it reaches us. Now, a lot like how humans write, correct? Most people don't write a perfect sentence the first time. We tend to draft, then we edit, then we rewrite. DiffusionGemma behaves a lot like that. Google demonstrated this using something very simple, which was Sudoku. Now that might sound random, but Sudoku is actually difficult for traditional language models because every answer depends on numbers elsewhere on the board. Some constraints depend on information that appears later. Traditional models struggle because they only move forward. DiffusionGemma doesn't have that limitation. It can evaluate the entire puzzle simultaneously. Now Google says a fine-tuned version achieved around 80% accuracy. The base model was near 0, which suggests this architecture may be particularly powerful for problems involving global constraints. optimizations, planning, reasoning, code editing, engineering workflows. But before everyone starts to declare the death of traditional LLMs, please let me draw your attention to the caveats. Google itself calls DiffusionGemma experimental. The quality is still below standard Gemma 4 models, and the economics aren't always better. Now, when thousands of users share the same cloud server, diffusion models can actually become more expensive. So, this isn't really replacing ChatGPT as of tomorrow. It isn't also replacing Claude and Gemini as well. But the point I'm trying to make is it's not happening as of right now. And here, of course, is the front page take. The real story is actually what DiffusionGemma represents. For nearly a decade, the entire AI industry has been built around autoregressive models, one token, then the next, and so on. Now, everyone assumed that actually would be the future. Google has reminded the industry that the future might look a little different, because if AI can generate text the same way image models generate pictures, which is faster and more efficiently, and with ability to correct itself along the way, then we may just be looking at the first serious challenger to the architecture that has built ChatGPT. And you know what? That is quite a significant development. What are your thoughts? Please do let us know in the comments below. Would you see use, for example, a faster AI model, even if the quality was slightly lower? And do you think diffusion-based language models would eventually replace the ChatGPT style systems we use as of today? This is Front Page, ladies and gentlemen, by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.